tie a valdotin, you want to start off by winding your rope 4 times around the other rope. After you've done that, you take the top rope, come down, cross, take the other rope, come over. That's your first cross. You want to make 3 crosses. Now because this one has gone on top, for your second cross it has to go underneath. This one goes over. Because this one goes over, it now has to go underneath. This one has to go over. Take your carabiner, attach it to the rope, dress your knot, and as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 crosses. So once again, the rope that comes from the top goes underneath when it forms the first cross. Because it goes under, it goes over at the second cross, and it goes under again with the third cross. This is how you tie a valdotin. If you wanna increase the friction, add another winding. If you wanna decrease the friction, remove a winding.